The rise of artificial intelligence has created many opportunities for beginners to start profitable businesses with little or no technical experience. Today, many tasks that once required experts can now be done faster using AI tools. With just a laptop, internet connection, and the right tools, anyone can start offering valuable services online. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the easiest AI businesses you can start in 2026. These businesses require low startup costs and can be run from anywhere in the world. If you're looking for a simple way to start making money with AI, these ideas can help you get started. One of the easiest AI businesses to start is AI content creation. Businesses constantly need content for blogs, websites, emails, and social media, but many don't have the time or skills. With AI tools like Chatbot, beginners can quickly generate high-quality content and deliver it to clients. As an AI content creator, you can offer services such as blog writing, social media captions, and product descriptions. Many freelancers charge between $50 and $500 for a single article, making it a consistent source of income. Another beginner-friendly AI business is AI social media management. Millions of small businesses want to grow their presence on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, but they don't have the time. Using tools such as Canva and Buffer, you can create graphics, generate captions, and schedule posts automatically. Social media managers often charge monthly fees ranging from $200 to $1,500 depending on the services they provide. AI graphic design is another simple business beginners can start quickly. In the past, graphic design required years of practice, but AI tools now make it possible to create visuals in minutes. With tools like Midjourney and Canva, you can design logos, posters, marketing banners, and YouTube thumbnails. Businesses constantly need visual content to promote products, so this service is always in demand. Another profitable AI opportunity is setting up chatbots for businesses. Chatbots allow companies to automatically respond to customer questions, collect leads, and provide support 24 hours a day. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more videos about AI business ideas. Tools like ManyChat and Tidio allow you to build powerful chatbots without coding. Businesses can pay anywhere from $200 to $2,000 for a chatbot setup depending on the complexity. The final AI business idea is AI video creation. Video content dominates the internet today, especially on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. However, many businesses and creators struggle with filming, editing, and producing videos consistently. AI video tools such as Pictory and Synthesia can automatically generate videos from scripts and add voiceovers. This allows beginners to produce marketing videos and social media clips quickly. Charging between $100 and $1,000 per video, artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate, and it has made entrepreneurship more accessible than ever. By learning how to use AI tools effectively, beginners can build profitable businesses with minimal investment. Now here's a question for you. Out of these 5 AI business ideas, which one do you think is the best? Let me know your answer in the comments below, and let's talk about it.